Little news flash: the pharmaceutical industry is the direct cause for drug addiction right now. Is the direct cause of fentanyl, all the addiction, methadone. The reason for methadone clinics is because of the pharmaceutical industry. It was because of the system, the government, the medical system. They gave us these medications saying that it was good for us because we needed it. We needed it, so therefore we have to take these medications. And then when we do take these medications, people become addicted to them, and the addiction turns into abuse of this so-called medicine, and then the blame just goes right back on the individual. But it's really the pharmaceutical industry and the entire system as a whole that did this on purpose, and then put the blame back on us, and now we're all blaming each other, turned against each other, when the fucking guy that's throwing the pills at us is laughing because we're sitting there laughing at each other, or fucking, putting each other down. And, you fucking drug addict, you fucking piece of shit, blah, blah, blah. When, the person or the one that gave it to these people that influence motherfuckers, that actually said through the system, through the doctors, said that you need this medication. You know what? Even if I broke my fucking leg, I don't care how much pain I'm in. I'm not taking no fucking oxy-80s. I'm not taking no pain pills, no T3s, no fucking nothing. I'm dealing with it fucking rough. I'm gonna smoke so much fucking weed. I will be so fucking high. Not that I'm not already fucking baked all the time. But anyways, you know what I'm saying? I live in Canada. It's legal, Fucking hoop your head. But anyways, point being is that no matter what, no matter how you look at it, the system is the one turning us against each other and fucking destroying the planet. Fentanyl. The reason for methadone clinics, bro, is for painkillers. Yeah. Hydromorphs, oxy-80s, you know what I mean? Opiates. Okay? And the government is the one that takes opiates and distributes it through the medical system for pain. Okay? First of all, people become fucking addicted to heroin in hospitals, and they're sitting there pumping you. I remember being in the hospital and they gave me fucking heroin. I said, bro, I don't want that shit. They're like, you have to have it, blah, blah. I said, you fucking put the tiniest fucking amount, and I'm telling you right now, if I even feel that shit, I'm fucking suing you guys. Straight up. And I'm telling you right now, they were trying to pump me. They gave me bro, I didn't like that at all. I hated that. I felt infiltrated, man. They put, you know what I mean? And I started to look at it like, yo, these motherfuckers their intent is to literally, I'm here not for something that painful, bro. And you guys are giving me heroin, offering me fucking synthetic heroin through a needle in my fucking IV. I'm like, there's something wrong with that. There's something really wrong with that. And I said, fuck that, bro. I don't need that shit. You know what I mean? And they forced it anyways, you know what I mean? So that's the thing, is like, they're in there turning people into fucking drug addicts, bro. Bro, what is a drug? It says right on the pharmacy place, it says drugstore. Bro, there's no drug dealers. The only drug dealer is the pharmaceutical industry, bro. Those are the drugs killing everybody. Those are the drugs that are the most highliest fucking addictive shit. You know what I mean? It's all man-made fucking shit. That's the most destructive fucking addictive shit. And no matter how they put it to you, like, if you break your leg, you're in massive pain. I don't give a fuck who you think you are. They tell you, oh, as long as you don't abuse this medication, you won't become addicted. No, backwards. You're gonna fucking take this medication the way that they told you to take it, and over a period of time, you're gonna become addicted. Therefore, that addiction is going to allow you to make mistakes that you normally wouldn't do, or do things that you normally wouldn't do. You're gonna need more to get the same effect of pain relief than you originally did when you first started taking it. So you know what I mean? Like, in the end of the day, it's designed that way. The medication itself is designed to lead to abuse, or what they would classify as abuse, which would be taking more than what's prescribed. But your body adapts to it, and then it needs more, and then they don't up it. They actually down it on purpose, because that's a psychology thing. Now you automatically are like, fuck that, you guys put me on this, now I'm sick. If I don't take this amount, fuck that, I'm taking a little bit more, I'll have to buy it off the street. Then people are dying, then people are addicts, then all the rest of the shit comes, homelessness and everything else after that. That is the way that this shit goes. It is the system influencing us by fucking force through the medical system, through doctors, that is forcing people to take pharmaceutical fucking drugs, get addicted, then start abusing it. By nature of the drug will automatically have you abusing the drug. And don't let nobody tell you otherwise. I don't give a fuck. I've heard tons of people say, no, I'll never fucking abuse this shit, da da da. They're drug addicts. Snorting it, injecting it, you know what I'm saying? And they started off real proper motherfucking people. Cars, jobs, shit like that. They were normal. You will not overcome and overpower that drug. That drug is meant to overcome and overpower the human fucking molecular fucking chemistry. Okay? There's no fucking way you're defeating it. It doesn't work like that. You know what I'm saying? Chemically and fucking just mathematically and fucking scientifically, it don't work like that. So they have the science that's against you, that says that it's good for you, when it's literally, they know, destructive in the end. And it all goes back into the fucking, to the government, into the system, because all that pharmaceutical industry, all that tax, all that money goes back to the government. Then they distribute it through welfare and disability checks. All those people are forced on through disability, through welfare. The first thing they fucking recommend is that you go on fucking certain medications. Then those people are relying independent on the pharmaceutical industry and stuck to a pharmacy, become addicted to all the fucking pills and medication they give you, because all of it's addictive, from fucking the lorazepam, clorazepam, to fucking Paxil, antidepressants, you know what I mean, anti-anxieties, pain medication. These are the most highly addictive fucking pills there are. This is the most highly addictive drugs. And these drugs, if you don't get them after you've been taking them, you will either die from the withdrawal, or you'll get so fucking sick that you wish you were gonna die. And then you can't take care of yourself. And you become literally physically dependent on this drug, or else you'll fucking die or get sick to the point you can't function. You know, and then it becomes a permanent thing. And the system knew that was going to happen to begin with. This was all by design, or else it would have never happened the way that it did. And somehow they've brainwashed society to, you know, put the blame back on the individual, which is the broken individual now, because of the system that's homeless, that's in the street, that's fucking, you know, drug addicted, all because of the system. And that is the truth. The system is designed against us. The pharmaceutical industry, the medical industry, you know what I mean? The injustice system. It's all a fucking trap, man. The best thing you can do is get the fuck out of it. Use it for what it has. Get what you can get from it. Fix yourself and get the fuck out, and go be relying on yourself. Live self-sufficient, man. There's no other way. That should be your main goal in life, is to be living self-sufficiently. You know what I mean? There should be no other goal in your life. That should be the end result. You know what I mean? Or else your end result's not going to be nice. It's going to be bad. Peace out.